Welcome back to the channel. This is Jonas and I'm into bikes, cars, anything DIY, anything off-road, anything outdoors. So I'll just show you how to put back your disc brakes. So just remember the orientation of your disc brakes when you take it off. So that's why I take pictures. And just make sure that you put it from where you took it. So for example, I put a wire here and I indicated that this is on the left side, so it will be on the other side and this will be on the right side. And then I took pictures so I can orient it on how I took it. Now this is what is stated in the manual. I believe it's because of the weight. They already pre-weighted it. Unless you're changing your disc. These are factory discs. So I have to put it back the way they were. It says in the manual to put wherever you took it from. I don't know why, because it says in the manual that what's on the right should be for the right and what's on the left should be for the left. But they do look the same. So anyways, I just follow the manual. I'm just a technician. I'm no engineer. So orientation is this, and then I think that is the orientation. Yep. And then Loctite. Let me just grab my Loctite. I forgot. Well, according to the manual, you need to replace this every time you remove it. So you should. Don't be like me. Cheap. But I've reused these bolts so many times. So I'm not really worried. Last one on the side. So the tightening process is to tighten it in a cross-hatch pattern. So start with 16, 18, and then 20 Newton meters. So start here. Sixteen, 18, and then 20. Now, because I am using a bit long Allen key, then I'll add another 10 or another 5. Not 10 is too much. So let's go 25, 22. Well, I think 24 is enough. And there you go. There's an arrow, you have to double check it. And then off to the other side. I should have actually double checked it before I tighten it, right? Orientation. So it's the same here, there. Yep, that's it. All I have to do now is to put Loctite on this, and then I'll be doing the same procedure. Oh, why am I missing 2? Anyways, that's how you put this back. Hope you like this. Peace.